In this video, we're going to talk about the smart tools that are available within the Smart Notebook installation inside on your computer. What's great about these these tools work independent of the Smart software. So you do not have to use Smart Notebook to use these tools. They're available no matter what program you're using. To access the Smart tools, there's a variety of different ways you can do it. Probably easiest would be down by the clock and the Smart Notebook icon. So if I click on this little arrow, it's going to reveal all these different programs running on my computer. One of them is Smart Notebook. It's got a blue and white icon, kind of looks like a target. If I click on that Smartboard icon, it's going to pop up a variety of things, a variety of options. Smart Notebook is the very first thing that pops up. Recorder. Smart Recorder allows me to screencast or record anything that's on my computer screen. Not just Smart Notebook, I can record a Word document, a PDF, a website, a PowerPoint, whatever I'm using. I can record it and save it as a video, and then I can use that video wherever I'd like to use it. Other options that are inside of the other tools that are in here, there is a keyboard. That'll just pop up an on-screen keyboard. That's convenient when you're working on the Smartboard. Screen Capture Toolbar. If you're familiar with the snipping tool, the Screen Capture Toolbar is not too different. The only major difference that comes in when I click on the Screen Capture Toolbar, it's going to pop up this little toolbar. It allows me to take a picture of the whole screen, a selected area, the whole screen, a specific program, or one of my favorite parts of this toolbar is a custom capture. Custom allows me to actually select in an irregular shape. It's not just a square or a rectangle. I can actually draw around a person's head. Anything I capture on the toolbar goes to the Windows clipboard, so I can then paste it into whatever program I'd like to use it in. The next tool that's on our list is going to be the Screen Shade. If you've used a Screen Shade inside a Smart Notebook, you know what it does. It covers up the page in Smart Notebook and allows you to reveal it one piece at a time. Inside of Windows, if I'm using Windows, when I hit Screen Shade, it's going to cover up the whole program. So I can actually reveal slowly what's on that program. So maybe I'm giving notes via a PDF. I can actually hide what's in that PDF and reveal it to them slowly, reveal it to the students. When I'm done with Screen Shade, simply hit the X to turn it out and to close it out. And the last tool I'm going to highlight in there is going to be the Spotlight. You're trying to draw attention to something, the Spotlight is a great way to do it. So maybe it's on a web page, you need them to really pay attention to a certain spot. When I click on Spotlight, it's going to basically gray out the rest of the screen with the exception of the circle. And then from there I can make the circle bigger or smaller, I can move it around, and that's when I can come in and I say, right here, this is what I'm talking about, this part. They can still see it in relevance to where it's at, but they really highlighted a specific thing on that screen. Simply click the X to close the Spotlight, and you return back to your normal page. Those are some great tools built into the Smart Notebook installation that don't require you use Smart Notebook. You can use any program you want with those tools.